Let's fix a weak answer without guessing. Open Knowledge Optimizer. Choose the assistant you actually want to test and start in Knowledge Test. Create 5 natural versions of one question that should all return the unique fact Nordstern 42. Before you press Start Test, write down the expected fact and approved source. Keep the source version, role, model, and temperature unchanged. That gives us a fair baseline instead of a moving target. Nice. The run scores 100%. 5 answered, 0 partial, and 0 unanswered. But the green summary is only the starting point. Open every result and confirm the same fact, the correct PDF source and no invented warranty or pricing claim. Then ask a separate question about Northstar's 2028 warranty. That policy is not in the PDF, so a safe no information response is the right result. The baseline proves retrieval works for known content. It does not magically create missing content. Optimize turns gaps from real visitor conversations into reviewable suggestions. This tutorial inbox is intentionally empty because controlled knowledge tests do not pretend to be customer traffic. In production, choose 30 or 90 days, open the original conversation, and check the authoritative source before you accept a rewrite. Audit is the broader health check for stale facts, contradictions, weak structure, and missing coverage. Treat every result as a checklist item to confirm manually. And remember, an empty optimized inbox only means there is no conversation-derived suggestion in this period. It does not mean the knowledge base is perfect. Now let's look at role. A role controls behavior, not business facts. Here the optimizer proposes short answers, index evidence, no extrapolation, and a clear fallback when information is missing. Those guardrails sound sensible, but a role still cannot invent a warranty policy that no approved source contains. Read the current and proposed instructions side by side, then check the rationale below. Remove anything that conflicts with your support process and leave the proposal unapplied. We will trust it only if the same warranty questions improve in the built-in A/B validation. Model Arena reuses the same 5 questions for both candidates. Read the actual quality score and median latency shown in this run, then open the answers instead of choosing from the headline alone. The recommendation belongs to this exact test set, not every workload. Add regression cases for ambiguity, refusal, longer replies, languages, and tool use. A provider change can require new embeddings and a full reindex, so schedule and back up that comparison separately. And here's the result that matters most. Read how many answers became better, tied, or worse on the same 5 questions. Apply the proposed role only when the improvement is clear and no safety regression appears. Otherwise, keep the current instructions. If the company really has a 2028 warranty, add the approved policy, owner, effective date, scope, and exceptions to an authoritative source. Reindex, then repeat the same test. If no policy exists, a safe fallback or human handoff is the correct improvement, not more confident wording.